Getting a brand new computer is super exciting. And if you're anything like me, the second you get it, you just want to start loading up all your apps, all your programs, and start doing everything that you couldn't do before on your old computer. But there's something that I always recommend to everyone that you do right away the second that you get your computer, and that's to make sure that you have all the latest Windows updates to make sure that your computer is running the way that it should. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to do that, so stick around. This is Wrestling with Tech, where I wrestle with tech so that you don't have to. Welcome to my desktop. I'm going to show you again how simple it is to get up and running and making sure that your computer is running the way that it should by having the latest Windows updates. So there are two different ways you can do this. You can either go down here to settings, to search and type settings. And there you go, there's that. Or you can do the shortcut, which is the Windows button and the letter I. And that's going to bring up your settings. So either way, it's going to bring up settings. So now what you want to do is scroll all the way down to Update and Security. Here you go, Windows Update. I'm going to click on that, and then look at all of the updates that are pending. So what I want to do is I want to have these update. They're going to start updating here in a second. See, it's already downloading. Let all of these updates happen. So step away, do what you have to do, maybe do it overnight, but I always highly recommend that when you first get a computer, you set up your Windows updates manually or you download the updates manually. That way your computer doesn't feel like it's slow because it's running Windows updates in the background. These are all very important. You want to make sure that you have the latest Windows updates in your computer because that's protecting you against any type of slowdowns, any type of just evil things out there. Microsoft is doing their best constantly to make sure that your computer is protected. So again, I can't recommend that you do this enough, and I'm going to show you once again how to do it. I'm just going to minimize this screen. If you want to, you can just type in settings. You can see settings pops up. I touch it. I'm already at the Windows update screen, but I can go back here and show you. Scroll down. Updates and security. And by the way, if your screen looks a little bit different, don't be alarmed. My settings looks a little bit different than perhaps what your settings might. Just know that you're always looking for the update and security. You click on that, you click on Windows Update, and then there you go. Before you know it, you'll have all your updates and you'll be ready to rock and roll on your brand new computer. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for other videos like this. You can also follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram. It's On The Air Alex, and you can shoot me a message there if you have any questions. So until then, I look forward to seeing you right here on Wrestling with Tech.